Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will teach you how to use PowToon, a very handy tool to create professional videos in a simple way. Before starting this video, we need to know what you will need. So you don't need to have expensive equipment, you just need a PC, internet connection and creativity. And that's all. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to go to the computer. This is the interface of the PowToon website. First of all, we need to log in or to create an account if you don't have one. I have an account, so I am going to log in. But for this video, I am going to create a new account just to show you how to do it. And I am going to use the login with Google. And I am going to use this account. So welcome home, Harold. Let's begin with the blah 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 blah. Let's start. I want to make video and visual content for is up to every person. So in our case, it's gonna be like education, business. It's up to you. I am going to click education just for a random one, and I am a teacher for higher education institution. Next. Let's go. Maybe later. So we have a free gift for the next 4 days, and we have access to videos, image, audios, templates for free for the next 4 days, and you can publish your project or your video everywhere: YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and more. There is a free version of PowToon that you can have videos, images, audios, and templates for free as well, so don't worry about that. You can still use PowToon. So let's go ahead, claim your gift. So this is the interface. Let's go. So here you can create your PowToons. So if you want to create your PowToons, you have to go here to create. Presentations, you have the option to create animated, explainer, videos, presentations, marketing videos, characters, infographics. But in this video, I am going to teach you how to create a video using this way, blank, and then horizontal. So here we go. At the beginning, we can choose the look that we want for our PowToon. It's up to every person to choose the look for the PowToon. As for example, if we want something really professional with marketing and statistics, we are gonna choose real. We have infographic, cartoons, whiteboard, and modern edge. For this video, I am going to choose modern edge. Basically, this is the interface you are gonna work with most of the time. So here on the top, we are gonna change this the name for this video, and this is gonna be test 1, for example. Here we have the option to save everything, then to share, export. We will focus on that area after checking all the website. So on the left side of the website, we have the slide site. So we can add slides here. And here we have the preview area. We have here the timeline. Here we have the sound control. for the PowToon. And here we can create the content for every slide. So we have here scenes, background, text, characters, props, shapes, image, videos, sound, and specials. So in this video I am going to create a video using an audio. For example, imagine that you want to create a video. So here I am going to add a voiceover, and then to add a voiceover you have to click here, add a voiceover, and then you have to upload, Harold test, open. Then you have to wait. Would you like to add this sound to the entire PowToon? We're gonna use the audio for the entire PowToon, so click here, entire PowToon, and there we go. We have like 9 seconds, 15 milliseconds, and we are gonna listen the audio.
This is a test. I am going to include a video of a dog and a cat. Is that okay, Harold? That's okay.
Okay, so in this video we have a 9 seconds audio, so we can start the video using, for example, let's hear again.
This is a test. I am going to include a video of a dog.
So this is a test. So for example, the first one I am going to use iSense. We have some default here. So for example here, intros. So for example, I am gonna use this one, and it's gonna be here, and then here you can edit every element of the video. For example, if we don't want that high, just click remove, and for example,
this is a test. I am going to...
So here I am going to type, this is a test, okay, and here we have several options to play with the text. For example, we have the size, we have different fonts. For example, in this case, let's use adventure, for example. This is a test. And also we can have the center, right, left, whatever. We can change the color. We have several colors here, and for example I'm going to choose yellow. Okay, close. Opacity. This makes, as you know, it's really simple. Effects, that means we have two options, enter and exit. For example, for enter we can put like a hand, and then that's all. So for example, with the hand,
this is a test. I am going to...
This is a test. As you can see, the hand is drawing the text. We are going to remove this one, and then the sentence is used for 2 seconds, and we have here like 5 seconds. So what we have to do is to remove the 3 seconds that we don't need.
This is a test.
This is a test, and then we can move to the next slide and make here.
Going to include a video of a dog and a...
And then here we're going to include a video of a dog. So we need to go to the video section. It's here on the right side, videos, and then we can click here we can type here dog and see something that we can use. For example, this one. Once we click on the video, we need to adjust, or we need to fit the video on the preview size. Here, and we have the dog here. So we need to make sure that the video starts from the 0 seconds. We need to move the video here, because if we don't move the video here and then we play here,
going to include
we will have like a blank.
This is a test. I am going to include a video of a dog and a cat.
As you can see, we have here like a blank area, a few seconds with a blank, with nothing.
This is a test. Basically. I am going to include a video of a dog and a cat.
I don't know why, but the video should appear from here. In this case, it's not. Maybe it's a problem with PowToon for now, but in general, if you put the video, for example, here, technically the video should.
This is a test. I am going to include a video of a dog and.
Probably it's a problem with this computer, but in general, if you put the video here, probably you will not have any problems.
Going to include a video of a dog and a cat.
And a dog.
Going to include a video of a dog and a cat.
And a cat, for example. We're gonna use this slide with 3 seconds, so we need to remove the remaining seconds that we don't need, just to make sure that we have 3 seconds. And here we need to click the video and to move the cursor till the end of the presentations, or it's up to you. We can move the video here 15 seconds, and we can add a transition. We have fade, for example. You have several options here that you don't have to, and that are for free. For example, the hands. And if we go here, play again.
This is a test. I am going to include a video of it.
So in this case, probably the best option is not to use hands, as the video is really short. And for that reason, I am gonna use fade.
This is a test. I am going to include a video of a dog and a cat.
So we can add a video of a cat here. This one, for example. We need to move the video till the beginning. Again.
Cat. Is that okay, Harold?
Is that okay? So another 3 seconds. We need to remove the seconds that we don't need. Okay, make sure the video is moved, the cursor is moved till the end of the timeline. And then, so we have 3 slides here, and I am going to create a final one. I am going to remove this one. This one is gonna be like the end. And we can add like something like computer. For example, this one. I am gonna use this one, as this is a good template. We can add here our logo of the company logo, your personal logo. So we can add some image here. I'm going to put like animals, for example. And I am going this cat, for example. As you can see, the image now is in the computer. We can put our logo here. I'm going to remove this one. So if you want to add your personal logo that you have created on your computer, what you need to do is add image and then upload through this option. Here I am going to add some text and then visit us at, for example, www.PowToon.com. For example, we are going to change the color for the text to white. Visit us at PowToon. We can move this one here and then we can make it bigger. Then we have to adjust this option. We can italic maybe. Yeah, why not? This is just an example. So once we add the text, we need to move the text through the timeline wherever we want. For example, I am going to leave the text here as the animation is going to be like,
that's okay.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Visit us. And finally, I am going to add a character. You can create your own character if you want. But in this example, I am going to use a default one. For example, this one is a good example. We can make it bigger, shorter. We can change the animation, the pose, hello, happy, idea, angry, sad, typing, thinking. We have several options here. For example, happy. He's gonna be happy and we are gonna make it bigger here, happy. And that's all. I think we finished.
That's okay.
So remember, this is just an example. Okay guys, once we finish the video, we can export, we can publish the video. So we have here the option to publish the link to download the video. So with this version of the account, we can't download the video, but for us it's not important as we are gonna upload the video to YouTube. So that's fine. We can download the image as a GIF, PowToon, Vimeo, YouTube, PPT. Anyway, so we are gonna export the video to YouTube. I'm going to show you how to do it. We need to add an account here. So we need to log in into the Google account. Choose the channel. Allow. And then we can click next. The name of the video is gonna be how to create a PowToon. Is category education and public. Next, HD quality 720 and then upload with watermarks. Perfect. Usually it takes like 3 to 5 minutes this process. So I'm going to cut the video here and see you in 3 minutes. Okay guys, I am back. I have been here for 5 minutes at least and the video is already in my YouTube account, so we need to go to your videos and here we go. We have here the video. We have the video here and that's all that we need. We have here the link for the video and we can then edit the description and the title and the thumbnail, whatever we want. And for now, that's all. We have done everything we need to. We have the video on YouTube, and that's fine because we will need the link for the QR code to be included into the poster. And that's all. Congratulations for completing this video. Today you have learned what PowToon is and how to use it to create professional videos for your projects in a simple way.